I disease Lima Obibia Aquawa, Hadia, latest and hot news qua Eramede, Bravo. Anuti, so we don't subscribe. Umodian say over subscribe to the channel. You may say over click a subscribe button. Now, what daily notification. Where the new video be uploaded when the first person else a video. I feel we are now one like video, no give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for us now when you be here now who and summer echoes. Ewo Ghana Memohano. Afenyo Bura a summer abeto your pussy. Yeti a yes story about the it is as in.
Enra Kennedy Agyapong kasai.
Yeah.
As a man cold and so mpacho fanchame. It's a woman so mentem Daniela.
And my mother factured the Mama church or so benum.
A beer so benum. Ken kasai. Sa papa no so kasai. Eye on France.
KT Hammond.
I am in person mebundi but I mean more KT Hammond. Where papa we all we good crebo for what God we good Muslim community in the It's an apology to that religion. Maybe you understand chief about Kennedy Pablo.
Ah, no friend,
Maybe KT Hammond secondary school I was actually kakra. Sammy Ahmed penny pa amil na kenne mepam KT Hammond. Onim nyansa. When you kwa obi kan kire no. En se me di na ta me kan su ene ne ban. Papa ne nim nyansa. Ahaw. Na okoko sa tokwara jidai. Ko parliament. What's we lead ane Abu Belt 81 ko now we want a caucus meeting na speaker at the parliament one kasa mo chokrata and mo catch the speaker say 10 a.m. speaker so plan say mo 10 na mo de action ebia aban nkomo a mo pese mo bebo ade a mo na mo siese mo be ye no mo pese adwene ho e wo mrase bedwem ha no ye sha se 10 pepepa e bebo am ebo 10 na mo ni ho adwene wo mutrim no se obi akotena speaker nsalifa hey ya titi desk it's a yabre for Trasubia. And ye, Jimmy.
I thought about the Akuyaba.
Share. So what's the baby Faku? A cha. It's a what 3 year Juma. Lipe be a wako company be almost 6 months. Now, or yet that they say I fed ready 2 days or a kwasia. Adwene nyadwuma eti enra KT Hammond kasai ombaye hu se wanyini but onim nyansa hwe se kase wo leader kasa wo ye dim wo leader kasa we enra Afenyo Markins watwe na bomb belt ede suit jacket aguso na KT Hammond anu ni nam. And then I realized that MPP leadership or parliament almost need leader. If they can't hear about the car, now Afenyo Markins say repeat it. Okay, do it yourself. And our leader is you, Afenyo Markins. And now Afenyo Markins say repeat it. Yes, I am the leader. So he didn't know. Sure. Let me tell you today, sir, there are course of parliament, no. Honorable Chairman Sabonsu Onimhubi. Me kase onimhubi abeba be kire omu ba me pese me confuse you as ba be kire omu be kwai MP
Joe Wise
Honorable Joe Wise onimhubi ha onimhubi se obi amua yae
onimhubi
kasa boy Obi amua onimhubi oya middleman.
In between.
Middleman no metchim sabanchiremu na metchim before the end of November.
General.
Obi amua oya middleman. Afei Papa ya no ye roads minister. Me maami agi ode me to ne yembo so me nkro. Ni ni abeba. Honorable Amakwata. Onimhubi, I remember. And I want to sit here and tell you here, politics, it's a dangerous business. Why you careful? I won't say that. I am telling you today, Danado, His Excellency, the President of the Republic. The Ekwasuna. And yes, sir, I support MPP MPs no. On support them. Opa Gidi, Opa Jai. Now, NAPO still wants the 4th seat to be declared vacant. Somebody should tell the Chief Justice. Somebody should tell the Chief Justice. If you don't know today, I am telling you. Na do da kwa Akufo Addo oba ya akasa boy
Me de ba kokora ka
o say ono Akufo Addo there ekoso you know. If you don't know family so sim you suffering or support pa because today I will be very deep. Chebe Sabosu. When about you know as leader of the majority caucus?
I think that.
When he met the president, Yakasa boy. I said, but you are still the majority leader. I said, Your Excellency, I am not. At the end of the day, yeah, you know. And then, me run some go. Tem kofe fi apam secondary school. Sammy na course was science class. And at B, anybody da na Esther Hamilton. Unim ho is no headmaster, headmistress. Assistant headmaster, academics. Assistant headmaster, administration. English master, literature and in English master, biology master, where a statue of hardship, plus school prefect and others who were all there having a discussion. And let me tell you today, MPP 4 pill, woman pill, now Yakasa boy. Moyi statue of hardship in Frizo. MPP 40% na nado, biye na no, Akufo Addo ombiye na no ne, ombiye na no chira. So ombiye na no abeto bob. Eti emu awe, Yakasa awe. Oye na awe. Now only the Ekwasumi say, me say babobodi. These are the people they know what is happening. It's Dada speaker. And declare seat vacant. Every year once I come the Asante Bediatuo. Now fetch him in Sambusu. Or that a minister of parliamentary affairs. Not a radio station. Oh Kumase. Not a Sumpa FM. No a morning show. When we are in no, Anna Bekwai MP, Honorable Joseph Osei Owusu Joe Wise ebebe ka kire say ya to ababa meburu dodo akogu parliament ho de na opeso kire say Afenyo Markins nom ene nkwada aketekete abegu parliament no wo mu jimi Joe say Owusu o se wo mu jimi eti MPP mebunu na abegu parliament ho no wo mu jimi Joe Wise asema okan no he's a man of wisdom tell your friend Joe Wise Joe Osei Wusu Wise le free but it me to Joe Wise e kire wo say odi ni yansa fi dem ameyam ene ba asoro eti Joe Wise say youth be abegu he o say that no use the word youth eti be bebu bi a wo God ha wo move for Joe Wise o say that no use youth na Joe Wise use here no o pa cha say crofobia begu parliament ho sela wo be yankwada nketekete wo banyini wo meda do mo ma me no fo esan nom ne yere do fo nte ejimi enye say wo ye bebu na want to be parliament because don't forget that Dominic Nitiwool or parliament or 25 years
25 years
Kweku Annan neba Francisca Oten or parliament no indeed 28 no indeed 21 years eti se Joe Wise ka say youth abegu ha nye say won fie na oka wo a wo mu na kuta wo be lawyers obi kuta bachelor's degree ba oba jimi te say akwada we di 3 months ena Joe Wise ka o de wo munyansa na grade wo mo eti youth na be share ho no to wadwunim nyeso odidi yam mebu na tam eti say the backbone or address media no o ka say Obama said we need strong institutions and not strong men and I am happy he did not say women na backbone nyeso no person or downgrade about what yes financial chain sakro bia Asante Bediatuo no 24 say to ababi ebu beka to say kwateka say nkyere yin say ya I just saw patches on quarters one. Won't mean for ba. Yes, I know patchere. Jane. Et the Joe say, Roma MPP for the one begu parliament. One to send Kwadanka and still a woman didn't let him grow. Fair to Jane. Make KT Hammond. Any Kennedy Agyapong asem. We remember Donald Trump. Number eti sawujiri we na hwe ade ni din a okere MP Daniel Kweku Botwe owai
nka korache
Daniel Kweku Botwe DKD owahe what was that why di what's up to the car say youth I'm telling you today, Sabo, yeah, more currently minority leader. Afenyo Markins or a baby. So far, Afenyo Markins are on tear there emotional intelligence. I say, only on tear say, hey, Mama Chow there. KT Hammond or prove it to me and Rasa Wajidi, but onim fear answer. So ya can a quality of former car faso. Mena me catch now. KT Hammond. Cha. Ye. Mo amoto abama no so kura mo duabu. KT Hammond, I swear, ni tia bo former car faso. Wa ka say wie. Woni oba da ekoko hwe hediti. Hwediti, woni oba da ekoko. About the suffer na papa say Jimino na wanyiri. Pacho bobo video ni bi kwachi. O say opani wanyiri de Jimino. Wo dey hede oba na me no. On the sebe faketi am Jimino papa penin toto. Jimino. He for suffer na papa madam. Pa! Jimino na wanyiri. It is a honorable Joe say Usu I can say you to a parliamentar. I swear, KT Hammond, or 23 years. Yeah, Shadia. Where are your minister?
Oh, of
or your cabinet minister. Minister of Trade and Industry. Yeah? Yeah? She can't say about policy, you know. Why are you helpless? She say, Mammy, for Papa, Madame Monte. Madame Bonapapa Monte. Madame Bopapaya Papa. Madame Ko. Madame Bo. Mammy Bonapapa. Fansa 1, 2, 3. Boom, 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 power. KT Hammond your penny toto. And at the other so they don't know what to do. ATTO, yeah? Mami no jina honimi no. But watch this. Honorable Kruche.
Yeah, Vechi.
Ketu South MP. O mama no bo KT Hammond na papa wie so onya akukuduro. Or run the suit on your bad ekoko. Or run the suit on your bad ekoko. Madame Bonapampa mamin traso. Madame Bob Bob Bob. Bob Bob Bob. Madame Bob. Madame Hina Papam. Madame Boom Boom Boom. Madame. It's the Bible say, and yet they when you be an enemy answer. Madame Nabum. Eti KT Hammond and Raw or demonstrative say at some da honorable Joe say usuka yedo eyampa obi anyini ba we jani jansa wo de ba be kitchen akwa we catch the Ghana yen yi utini say ye titi se kube me oba bia de wo beto di sa for papa pam cause madwin ye adwuma oba na twa okoto we ye friend okoto She, Mami, Cynthia Mamle Morrison Nekono. I am telling you, MPP are full, baby.
Atobaha.
Me, I told you, madam, and I am repeating today. Cynthia Morrison, maybe be able to go. My catch Wednesday. Was it Wednesday? Yes. Saturday, me bar for the question that was sorry. Me bar for the any year, me bar be cancel me actually. Kwesiada me call Franco Central e hwa na ye me Pentecost Assembly e won kran me call Central Regional go mo tachi my Central and so ba kope na wo ho so your friend Central e hwa na mko asore
e dey by force pa
mami we MPP afro hwe won mo settle Cynthia Morrison up Gyamfi so mbegu na nimase na emema mpedifon total wo yere dom ese oba owo yere pe
oku
me ma catch us November we anye o the catch us say do I look like a stupid woman to you? I am not interested in this rubbish. I am a decent woman. I have children. I have an integrity to protect, if not for anything. When I leave Parliament, what becomes of me again? I'll be called a former member of Parliament. I love my husband. Take your rubbish away. Take your rubbish away. Me busintia, Mamle Morris na to the highest epoch. Mami we wrong. Sammy what the constituency me to Abama no. And yes, we free MPP call independent in you. Cynthia Mamle Morrison no and I'm Hosano. And near my tiny muno, you have no idea the Yaniba of the constituency. When I said I'd been to the first head of Husi and in 3 days or co-walk, you say Tuato. Cynthia, let me tell you this again. You're very, very, very careful. Time be I will take care about that John 9. Show Husi. Opa baby, I will do be ada. and I say beef up your security. It can be biabium. It can be biabium. Oh, when you statue of hardship the free way. It is a say I no can say wow. Say I no can say. Let me tell you something. KT Hammond the Jimmy na we penny toto. Oye ye no. And na Kennedy Agyapong ba say, pesa me kire unyansa. Ken say or say, yeah, baby ana ye me wono. Baby ana ye wono. Na TV eni ho. Na ye meeting. Enti na ye nim say
speaker crab.
Na ye nim say speaker abetna se. Wa hunyansa penny de kasa. Kennedy Agyapong Tuesday ya dem twitwa na ofia hamwa. Tuesday Wednesday we come out and Kennedy Agyapong. But you know what? Me we are the Papa Mecca, we are the Bonia Mecca. And rather who say, ya kasa boy.
Boy.
Kennedy Agyapong a major a MPP leader. Afenyo Markins, sack yourself. Okay? Kennedy Agyapong say, look at the demeanor, the way Anna OC Kasa. Kennedy Agyapong spoke like a president. Yeah. Very calm, very articulate. His composure was excellent.
There are no temper issue.
Or say, baby, Anna me wono. Baby, Anna ye wono. Net TV ni ho. And when it is your casa, won't be in parliament in TV.
Yeah.
We hear TV, we Jimmy for. Because parliament ye shembra, ye she. It won't mean continue parliament. So when you Kwaku TV, well, brother, there's a serious business ahead of you. It is a TV crowd. Kennedy Agyapong.
Okay.
Otchere, Afenyo Markin Nyansa. Say, hey, wonderful. Shut up and stop fooling around. And now, Kennedy Agyapong of a fóolish campaign message distortion and upgrade. That political strategy will be a campaign message distortion and upgrade. Kennedy Agyapong exhibiting excellently. Or say, Net TV ni ho. Eti ye who say speaker akwatra se. Now, one more year caucus meeting. Na say minority minority. Ato Kezel Ato Forson.
Yeah.
Efre one untimi fa. Because MPP for your meeting. Na NDC di fra MPP di no. Ewo MPP meeting na say ofa e kire say. It watch this. Kezel Ato Forson me can say he tried so be rich ni nuanom no but obia answer. I know very well. Maybe he tried calling Kennedy Agyapong. Yeah. And he can say maybe omo on TV di ho. Ba na penny toto KT Hammond. Wakoma oba abon kuto. Kokuntokwa anyansa nim. Radio for me da mase. Amen come ho. Esi. Pati. Where adera ekoso parliament ho no MPP 4 Hopeson Adorye Apo. So there's no leadership. MPP penning 4 NMB kawunti bohu eyo main frakadam. We are no atron krata, no polishing with English, because Akufo Addo be kind of take them so akabrofo to ono so kan ya no Agyatum obe consult asemesi ogini dido the same nkojo obe consult na Kwame the same nkojo ofre solo the same nkojo. So there was a serious cartel and cabal behind and around him. He could not see that because the same people he could trust were the people who were members of the cabal and the cartel. So this is Osaje for Dr. Kwame when this is Nanado. So if this is Osaje for, what is this one? But what are you free so? And we are Monday. 80 say I no say. MPP for me fatherless. Pacho Kennedy Agyapong. Debi Shasefi KT Hammond, mami sound. Obehu penny in toto. Now obehu penny a Kennedy Agyapong adwin ewo ne tirim. Ono na Emma MPP for who ya kodo kakra. Enra.
It's not argument, nonsense. You guys are not listening. Supreme Court is talking. It is all for us members of Parliament or the
Mami video no can no be a who penny toto.
Foreclosed. It is completely foreclosed. Supreme Court is talking. That is the end of the matter.
Yes, the Speaker of Parliament says when it comes to seating arrangement, that is not. He says you should come.
He said that
everywhere do the business.
Listen, the orders of the Supreme Court were directed specifically to the Speaker. It was the Speaker. It wasn't the leadership. It wasn't the clerk. It wasn't the leadership which made that ruling or that decision. It was the Speaker of Parliament who unconstitutionally made a proclamation. Whatever it is that he said on the Supreme Court has told him that he was wrong. Restore matters to what they were before you did that.
Line of action for the MPP.
Well, we will cite you for contempt. We will cite the Speaker for contempt. Watch the face.
Your side is not up.
Keep on saying
the business committee.
First,
you should start yesterday.
Let's get first. There is a ruling made by him. The ruling has been oversaid. You're forcing me to repeat myself so many times. The Supreme Court is spoken. We want the decision of the Supreme Court to be respected.
Speaker acknowledged
that what?
Of the Supreme Court.
And that what?
2 weeks he did say that he has been served with copies of the judgment of the Supreme
Court. And so what I said, it's not a question of acknowledgement. It's a question of implementation of the decision of the
But no MPs, none of the 4 MPs have been blocked. None of the 4 MPs have been blocked from coming to Parliament. None of them have come in here and they've been blocked from accessing the Chamber of Parliament.
You are not listening. You are not listening. I think I'm going to have to say this for the last time because it looks like some of you have become impervious to what is that. Listen to this. The Speaker made a ruling.
Yes.
It was unconstitutional. It was unlawful. By any account, it was illegal. The Supreme Court, contrary to the assertion by he himself and some members of the minority who keep proclaiming from high rules and high heaven that the Parliament is a master of its own rules and regulations, the Supreme Court is told Babi and Parliament that you are not. There is an
Sir, we shall papa we are home. Na me raho because emre bi abese kodo. Ya tra hona me no na ewi.
Honorable and Agyapong is my lawyer.
Bob, Shasef Kennedy Agyapong there.
Over there. Unfortunately, our caucus meeting took so long, and there was no TV there for us to see that they were sitting. So, young man, I was not running away. We were coming to consult the Speaker and the minority group.
Yeah. It's okay. What who Kennedy Agyapong?
And unfortunately,
what who nyansa papa ni digu fem. And sir, what share MPP MPs now umunim nyansa to Kennedy Agyapong na. Their echoes no a nonsense ma. And let me tell the Supreme Court. Patro Supreme Court to be any assist to obey to create majority or minority or Parliament. Somebody should tell the Chief Justice. Chief Justice, you can never, ever in your life, even in your wildest dream, you can never, the Supreme Court can never create majority or minority in Parliament. Majority or minority is created from the constituency and affirmed by Parliament. And Parliament can reduce its numbers. If you say, as soon as you cross, you are not part of here. MPP constitution no page 6 kura ka say we a mistake na we support it obi we MPP MP no ye wadu say we call independent you automatically forfeit. Afenyo Markin so ye bema lead MPP MPs to call Supreme Court na ko fra back be better ho na ye majority of Supreme Court. Her Chief Justice of Bamino, or you're very smart. It's ruling now, as I'm not can you know, Ojalu post baby womb. To your lawyer, no, so the minimum ha, not the day Johnny, who saw the name of ha, not the minute Johnny, Ojalu post baby. And so we are not the talk to better was oh, see a yen sa, woman pisido, woman in ano, woman representation, our parliament. Speak, Chief Justice, okay, say unim. Okay, say onim. Say constitution na makwan. Say between declare seat to be vacant, irrespective of the timing. Okay, say onim. But now or try say ade ne befa.
Yo wait for we and some about beto yepuno so because GCD so and abohwe no. So we just subscribe ya. Bomodi say over subscribe to the channel. Say hadie latest and hot news nkwa enamide bremo. Who are not feeling like video no nafi shema of Ato Forson will be here that will semi possible will gun them also with me share what you fire and some way now will comment box me Mobati make a view in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.